Sushi Belts and KTO, how are you guys doing? Can you guys hear me okay? Blast from the past. Bleh. It hasn't been that long. Bros before hoes, right? Fucking camera is glitching so hard. Well. Let's see if we can do anything today. At least get the project up and running. I think that would be pretty ideal. You know. I think I sound okay, right? Let me try real quick. I think it should work okay, but I want to make sure. Bam! Ads! Fuck my life! How you been? I've been okay. Just been working a lot, you know. I'm seeing the chat twice. Why the fuck am I seeing it twice? What? Fucking. Yeah, I don't know which one was which one. I think we're just gonna keep the Botrix chat. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, cool. That should be good. That should be good. Good. I've been working, so you know, it kept me really busy and took a lot of time. I couldn't really like spare time to get on the stream or work on the project and whatnot. Well, I sound okay, so I think I can just cool it down. All right. I'm gonna turn this off. Get a spam message here. Motherfuck. Begin trading cryptocurrency for free and enjoy the benefits. Earn $200 to $3,000 daily. There is no such thing as easy money, right? Right. I'm glad you agree. So, gonna start a new project. I will be creating a new platform for gifts, and I'm going to be creating the platform in Next.js and Django. It's going to be all Dockerized. So I think let's kind of get started, eh? Cool. So I'm gonna go do this, Clazy, and then we're gonna go cd repos. Okay. And from here, we're gonna create a thing called. First, I think I need to create a new repo on, you know, GitHub, so I can just sync it, and I think that way would be like significantly easier. Oh, cool. I'm already logged in. So I'm gonna go here and then we're gonna call this thing here Lumen Gift. Sweet. Yay! Should it be a single repo or should it be two repos? I'm kind of conflicted right now. I kind of want it to be like two repos, one front end and one back end. But I think it would be okay to separate it since I would be creating separate folders. And right now I think it's okay as it is. All right. Yeah, I'm just gonna create a new repo. Let's call it lumengift.com repo. It's going to be private. Yeah, let's do a readme and then git ignore. What the? Yeah. Okay. I think we have created it. I honestly don't know if I set up my Git credentials here. I think I have. I'm not so sure, but let's do git clone Lumen Gift. Thank you. cd Lumen Gift. Cool. There is really nothing here. And then let's just do a open, and then I think we can configure it from there. I'm gonna do Lumen Gift. Okay. Trust projects in repos. Trust. We're gonna open this here. Hold on, why do I have two windows with this motherfucker? Oh, that's the settings window. All right, so this is practically our root, and I'm going to go and create. We have new, and then Python 3.12. Hold on, 3.13 is not out yet, right? 1 second, everybody. I think I need a new profile here. Okay. Sign in. Hold on. Oh, it's opening it. I can barely. I could barely see it. I don't remember the motherfucking password on this one. So let me go ahead and all right, I gotta do now 2FA. Where's my thingy for the 2FA? 2FA is being the 2FA. Okay. Please work. And I'm gonna do here. Thank you. I need to verify. Wow, good. Like this, like 4-step authentication. I can't. Ah. No thanks. I need like a. Let's do done. Okay. Okay. So I can move this over here, close this, cool, and yeah, this is pretty much good to go. But before we get started with anything else, I'm just gonna go ahead and install uBlock Origin. Cool. I just don't want to be dealing with ads. Add an extension. Oh, thank you. And then let's do Hopper Blocker. Oh, cool. They already knows what I want. Sweet. That one. And then Dark Reader. Oh, this is like all the way in the bottom now. What? Cool. 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 Got it. Fuck off. I really hate these motherfucking pop-ups. Okay. Excuse me. So, come on, this. I need a new phone. So many notifications. So I think I'll also do this before I do this. I'm gonna do sudo vim. I don't know if like I have all the tools I need installed right now because I did a fresh install of Ubuntu entirely from scratch. So some of the software I was using is not available anymore. So something I have to, you know, I keep figuring it out as we go. So I'm gonna do, yeah, etc hosts. Cool. Okay, so I'm gonna call, how to duplicate a line? Duplicate line. I don't remember it. How come there is no fucking search settings here? Motherfuck. Now it's doing like the infinite scroll on this bitch. I just wanna see. Cool, there we go. It just looks really weird. Duplicate necessary cookies only, bro. This is like this. So YY or Y to copy and then D, what? P. Ooh, okay. So let's do YY and then P. Ooh, this is so good. Let's do and I'm gonna call this thing. What am I calling this? Lumen Gift. Cool. Then I'll do another one. Another one, and then cool. So I can actually close this. Cool. All right. Now, what we're gonna do here? Get started with. First, let me install the frameworks I need. So let's go VF new Python 12. I forgot to check. Python releases. I don't think it came out just yet. I just want to see if it did. Python 13 downloads. .10.01. Ooh. So per release. Can we have this? I kind of want to like just get started with this one. I don't care if it is pre-release. I still want to like use it. Okay. Send it. But that would mean I have to install it locally as well. I do not want to install it locally, but I think I can test it on the 12th, but I can test it on the 13th inside the Docker container. Yeah, let's try it. See if it works. I'm gonna call this thing Lumen. Cool, and then pip install. Really? Install Django. It's gonna install 5 because the 5 is already out the stable version, which is good. So hold on, let me see Django releases. All right, 5.1. What? Came out in December. Okay, backward incompatible changes. I don't care because this is a brand new deprecation process for some feature. Cool. Upgrade the Django Zero version. Get the hit. Woohoo! All right. You know the best way to see it? PyPy Django. When in doubt, I just go here. 506. So I'm gonna go release history. Yanked. Pre-release. Pre-release. Okay. Headset just died? How dare you die? I think I haven't charged it for a while, so it's kind of expected. Alright. It's not like I need to listen to music or anything. Yeah. This is some bullshit. I don't see a 5.1, although the documentation shows 5.1. Huh. What if I do this? I think it was something like this. No matching distribution found. A1. Oh, because it is just it's not semantic version. It's I don't know what the other one is called. If it was a semantic version, this would work. But okay, which one came out the last? 1B1 came out the last, so I'm just gonna go with that one. Okay. I don't like I'm doing this, but I feel like I just want to reduce the amount of Alright, let me see deprecation. But from which version it got deprecated? I don't use any of the templating, so fuck it. It doesn't really matter. Removed in 5, okay. Anything removed in 5.1? I don't see it. Okay, that's like the first one it finds. Where is the second one? What? Oh, here. The documentation thing. Okay. That's another third-party library. Documentation. and then offline Django, blah, blah. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's anything that would block me to upgrade to 5.2, right? So I think if I'm looking 5.2, when is it coming out? Hold on, 5 is not a fucking LTS. Oh, 5.2 is LTS. It's coming on April 2025. Okay. But what about 5.1? 5.1. 5.1 is gonna end. It's gonna last until 2026. Damn. So I still have a lot of time here if I just go with this. But 5 is. Yeah, I think I'll go with this. Yeah. So if I do this still, I can do this, right? Bigger than 5.0, like completely like this. Sorry, can I do this? Okay. Uninstall Django. Yes, please. And then if I do this, better give me 5.1. We better do it. Okay, this is gonna be requirements.txt, but it needs to be in its own scope, and I'm gonna put that in. What should I call that directory? Oh, I should not be calling that directory just yet. What should I call that Django project? I'm gonna call it Lumen app. Yeah, that works. I'm gonna do Django admin. I'm gonna call it Lumen app. Ah! All right. What? What is even that? Okay. What is that? What? What? Okay. So this is Lumen app. We have our things here. Cool. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. Phrase Django. We're gonna do Lumen app. requirements.txt. Cool. Oh, god damn it. What am I doing? Yeah. This is so stupid. All right. And then I'm going to do here another one. Install isort flag. Fuck, I don't like the black library. What was the other thing I was using? I think that's okay for now. Okay, I'm going to do here grab. Before I do this, I kind of want to check this here. Can I grab 2 items? Okay. That's something I want to learn. I'm gonna do here Linux grab multiple words. Grab iSort or Flake 8. it's actually running it. That's oh. Cool. Okay. Something I learned, but you know, Lumen app requirements. I'll call it dev.requirements. And then this should be an attachment rather than overriding it. And if I end up going over here, I should have dev.requirements, which is over here. And I'm gonna do here are requirements.txt. Okay. So what I want to do here, pip install r Lumen app dev.requirements.txt. Okay, it seems to be working, so I think we're good. Now I do need to install REST framework. I think it's called Django REST framework. That's what it's named, right? It's one of the like mostly used library that I have, but it's just I don't remember its full name. All right, pip freeze. This is gonna get kind of big now. What? Did they kind of like reserve it just to reserve the name? I guess they did. Gosh darn it. All right. So I'm gonna do this. Hold on. Pip freeze and grab Django REST framework. And I'm gonna do Lumen app requirements because that's where it goes. And okay. It shows up after Django, so we're good. Sweet. Fuck off. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so if I go cd Lumen app, we have manage.py here, and then if I do manage.py, hold on, I do not want to run it with fucking Whiskey. What? You know what? Let's see what commands it has for us. Django. DB shell. Oh shit! I don't know what that is. What? Oh, okay. Yeah. Static files run server. Huh? It's under static files? Oh. Dump data. Bruh. Nice. Flash. Load data. Nice. I haven't used those at all. Like the biggest one I use is just shell. Okay, and the next one here is pip install please IPython. I hecking love this thing. Yeah, that's what happens when you make a typo, I guess. Pip grab pip freeze grab I don't know if it worked. It didn't work. I think it's IPython with a capital I? No? That's a shame. Yeah. It's all lowercase. What? Whatever. Okay. So let's go look at Django's documentation. Okay, let's go do here Django run ASCII, deploy ASCII, unicorn, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this is going to tell us what's this version 5. We can go with 1 just in case there's an update, so I don't know. Django system command sets a default as a configuration for you, which you can tweak as needed for your project. Django is getting started documentation for the following ASCII servers. Yabba, Daphne, Hypercorn, Unicorn. I think I was using Daphne, so I might just go with Daphne and then kind of like go from there. And then this guy here, Daphne. Okay, this is what I need. Watch me do. Yep. So I don't remember if I had a dev requirements txt on this, to be honest. Oh, I do. Okay. Do I see watchdog? Okay, so let's go do pip install watchdog. Cool, and then I want to do pip freeze. Okay, watchdog 401. Wow, I'm so many versions behind here. Damn. It's kind of crazy that like you come so long to okay. Yep. All right, so we're gonna do here, and then we're gonna create a new directory called Docker. Okay, and then I'm gonna go one directory up here. I'm gonna do here touch makefile, because who the fuck has time to, you know, deal with writing things from scratch all by themselves? Just like so annoying. And then we're gonna do here touch, right, docker compose.yaml. I might move this somewhere else, but we'll see. And then I'm gonna do another touch. We're gonna do here Django.dockerfile. Okay, and then I'm gonna call this NextJS. The rest I don't really need anything, because I will be using Postgres. It's already an image I can just declare in Docker Compose. Cool. So let's kind of get started here. I'm gonna steal a few things. Hold on. Postgres latest stable version. I do not like want to deal with updating this. Okay, this is a problem here. Even though it's available to use here, right? It's not always available to use on cloud service providers, because they do not have fucking support for it. They are like a year or two behind all the time. So I'm gonna check here, for example, Vultr, Postgres versions. Let me see what versions they support. think I just saw 14 down here, if I'm not wrong. Maybe it's a... All right, fuck it. Products. Postgres. Okay. Not just explore and it would be real cool if they told us what versions they support, right? AWS supported Postgres versions. I'm not gonna put my app on AWS right now, but I just wanna... So they go all the way up to 16. So I should be safe going up to 16, right? I guess. So DB, yeah, let's take this real quick. And then open this up. Yeah. It's gonna be services. And then we're gonna have DB, we're gonna have DB networks. We are not gonna be dealing with a network. And then we're gonna have an env file, and then this has to be another up, and then we're gonna call this here Lumen DB data. That's what I wanna call it. So it should be good. And 16. So it seems like I'm pretty up to date, and I should be good because 17 is still in beta apparently, and I wouldn't be really able to do much with it. All right. So first, let's verify that this actually works. I'm gonna steal a few things here, up and then down and then redo, especially these here. Blech. Make file, come to daddy. Okay. Up and down. Okay. So we're just gonna do this. I'm gonna do make up. No role to make targets. Blah, 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 blah. Secrets. Ew. I'm so sorry. No configuration file provided. Not found. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense because we are running this from a directory called yeah, I feel like this file should be up here. Yeah. Otherwise, it's just gonna get complicated for no reason. Okay, so I'm gonna do here touch .env. We want this, and then I'm gonna get the contents of it from shit. I gotta make this off screen 1 second. I can't actually. Oh, this is pretty good. Ooh. I'm screwed, aren't I? Yep. Fuck. Oh, no, I'm not. Fuck. I got this. Yes. Excuse me. Having a backup just saved my life. Talk to me, baby. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so we can close this, and then I can now bring this over here without having to worry, and then switch over here, go over here, and then do this. Nice. So DB, we're gonna call this here Lumen Gift, and then Postgres user, we're gonna do here Lumen user, root yabba, and then development. So if I do make up, this should pull down. Cool. All right, that's progress. Okay, that does seem to work, and I don't see any errors here. Cool. And I'm just gonna go here again. Now this is going to be kind of thingy, and then we're gonna take this over here, we're gonna take this over here, and cool, let's add the API. We don't need this. Build context. Context is Docker, and then the Docker file is actually, nah, it doesn't make sense. Docker, no. We're gonna do Django.docker file. Cool. Entry point. I know the entry point thingy here. I kind of want to do slight improvements to this, and I just literally want to do this. ASCII. Sweet. So I'm gonna call this thing Lumen app. Anything that cool. So this is gonna look for Daphne. So let's go make sure we are using the correct version of Daphne. So let me go do this Daphne. Pip install Daphne. Excuse me. That way we will have concurrency. Oh, it needs another E. 412. Interesting. Daphne. So let me verify that Daphne is here, but it needs to be on the top because of alphabetical ordering we're doing. Sweet. Okay. Excuse me. Cool. I'm gonna try to run this just to make sure that it actually works. Right, I'm gonna go here and then cd Lumen app, and then I'm gonna do manage.py run server 08000. Yeah. Activate Lumen, and then let's do this again. Cool. It seems like it's good. And then if I do come down here and do an 8,000. Cool. All right. Well, that's progress, which is good. So long as it loads and works and throws an error, I'm happy. I need to make sure here when we come down that requirements, it created a SQLite file. Okay, you can fuck right off. I don't know why I have such a vulgar mouth these days. I just keep swearing on everything. Yeah, that's not good. So this settings here, that needs to change. I'm gonna do a new Python package here called settings. And then, yeah, let's add it. And then this one here is going to, okay, we're gonna do import OS. Okay. I'm gonna call this app stage equals os dot get env, and then I'm gonna call it development. I don't like single quotes. Okay. I'm gonna do if app stage equals, actually, hold on. I wanna try something else this time. I'm gonna do match. I haven't done this so long. This is the first time I'm using it. I wonder how it's gonna work. Case development. I'm gonna do import from dot development import all. Baby. This is nice. And then case, I'll do production. Okay, I'll do this. Yeah. I'll call this stage. Let's call this stage. And I'm gonna call this test. Let's call this test. Case, is that default? I don't know if that's a thing. Is it just like case, anything else? I'll just do raise value error, and then app stage. App stage is not as supported. Supported environment value. Cool. Actually, I'm just gonna do this. Unsupported environment value. Yeah, let's do it this way. So I want to see what it is. Python match case. What's the default here? Case underscore. What? If you're gonna give me a fucking you are so fucking annoying. You just like went from one of my favorite add-ons to just an continue uninstalling. Fuck your thing, bro. Annoying pop-ups from the extension itself. Submit. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna care about my thing, but what to do. All right. What the hell am I looking at here, bro? So underscore is the wildcard. Okay, that's doesn't feel intuitive at all. What the fuck? Leaving it empty should be like how you would do it with an extension. Like it should be the same way. That's just odd. Really? This works? Yeah. Okay, let's rename this file to base. Okay. And I'm just gonna do a refactor, rename, and then we're gonna call it here base. And then this motherfucker will go over here. Okay, refactor, cool. Okay, add it, whatever. And then I'm gonna do copy paste. We're gonna call this development. Yeah, edit, whatever. Okay, this is gonna be all from dot base import all. Okay, and then we're gonna have debug true, and then yeah, let's do this, whatever. And then I think this should be pretty okay. And the databases, yeah, this should never be fucking SQLite. I just can't stand it. Databases, just show me how to set it up. PostgreSQL engine options. No, no. I just want to provide it from the environment variables, please. Bruh. Is this something that changed with version 5, or like am I tripping? You can't be serious. God damn it. OS dot get env. What did we name this fucker? Postgres DB, right? Let me bring it right next to this thing here. DB. Okay. User is the same host. Ew. And then port will do the same thing. We're gonna import this, import it. Thank you. Okay. Oh. Okay. Let me stretch real quick. Okay, we're gonna do user, cool, password, cool, and then host, cool, and then port, cool. Okay. Internationalization, use that. default autofield. Do I think that it's going to be problematic if I use? Let's see if there's a debate. I kind of want to see if there's a debate regarding using UUIDs or integers as primary keys. UUID versus integer primary key. Let's see. 3 years ago. Okay. I don't want to deal with this fucker every single time. Review. Okay. Create. Cool. Still works. UI design is a number that's globally unique in space and time. Two calls to unexpected generate two different values, even if these calls are performed on two separate computers that are not connected to each other. On the other hand, simply in primary key, a unique integer for the specific DB and DB table, but which is not universally unique, so imported to another DB, chances are there will be primary key conflicts. In terms of performance, there shouldn't be a noticeable difference using auto increment over UID. Most posts, including some by the authors of this site, state as such. Of course, UID may take a little more time, but this is not a performance bottleneck for most all cases. Having a column as primary key should make both choices equal to performance. See reference load. Damn, sounds like this is very nice. Good. InnoDB just took off with the integer, bro. Good insight. Very good insight. Thank you for that. Let's see if there is an so far 242. There seems to be like no thing. I like working with UIDs better than the thing. So this one is improvement can't increment or UID. Let's see. It's a matter of choice. Such in this question can raise opinion based on answers from my point of view. Even if there's done this primary key on auto increment column, I call it technical key to keep it consistent within the database. I allow for primary key to change in case something went wrong at design phase, and also allow for less space to be consumed in cases that key is being pointed to by framework. Strain any other table and also make the candidate key unique and not null. Technical key is something you don't normally show to end users unless you decide to. This can be the same for other technical columns that you're keeping only at database level for any purpose you may need. In case, I will go for a second option of slightly modify pk int auto increment id uid not null primary key pka okay unique id. It's like give me both. All right, let's rephrase this. Okay, we're gonna do this here. Postgres UID versus int performance. Reddit, damn. Okay. I think I'll go with UID because I do feel like it'll work well. This is gonna be a redundant thing for me to utilize, as I'm gonna be using a shared abstract class object for all my models to be, you know, inheriting from. But any third-party applications that this might be depending on, I'm gonna let it stay the way it is. So let me see here. Righto. And then primary key field type to use for model that don't have a field with primary key equals true. Okay. I guess we'll be okay. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do settings. And then I'm gonna come down here, project, Lumen Gift. I think it's in languages and frameworks. Let's find Django, enable Django support, project root. We're going to do Lumen app. Settings, we are going to do, since we are locally developing, we're gonna be doing development.py. Do not use Django test runner. Yeah, manuscript, environment variables, pattern, folder pattern to track files, apply. And then I'm gonna go here, Python interpreter. We're gonna be doing this is not the one, add interpreter, add local interpreter, Lumen Gift. Ooh. Lumen being Python. Cool, it actually saw it, sweet. I like it. And then I'm gonna do apply, and I'm gonna say okay. So it's going to be indexing our application here, and then we're gonna see. I think I'm gonna head and Lumen app settings dot. Should not be needing this, but it should. Why isn't it seeing it? Did I go like double tap on this thing? That doesn't make sense. Okay, hold on. Let's check. Oh shit, there is no app, so it won't, of course it won't see it. What the hell? Actually, let's give it a try. Oh, no module named Lumen app.settings. Okay, let's fix this problem and then fix the other problem afterwards. No. Okay. It's a pip install thing I'm supposed to do. I just don't fucking. Yeah, this is the one right here. Okay, it installed 299. We're gonna do here pip freeze and grab. Okay, and then we're gonna do. Okay, it's already here, so I think we should be good. Cool. Alphabetically ordered. We should be good. And let's try this. env app stage equals development, right? I'm gonna do manage.py start app core. It works just fine. Okay, if I do rmrf core, okay. And then if I come down here to settings and then environment variables, I'll do stage was development. Apply, okay. Start app core. It did work, but it still doesn't see the fucking yeah, it does create it, but I think it doesn't like the setting that we have. Settings. All right, let's go with this one because I just wanted to work here because I don't want to be dealing with it. Come on. Okay, this might not be working. Oh my God. Guys, I'm gonna take a call. I'll be back. Give me a second here. All right, did a quick call. Oh, Tawhidul Hassan. Hey man, how's it going? Missed what project are you creating? Add a green screen to your background would drastically improve the webcam to get rid of your background. Actually, very good point. I have a green background. I just didn't turn it on. So give me a sec. Let me see if I can turn it on. Let's make sure. The thing is, with this background, it's like it has to be really close because it's not that wide. You know what I mean? Okay. All right. Yeah, it doesn't give me much room to like work around. Wow, good thing you reminded me because I actually had no idea. Huh. All right, let me see if I can. It looks like it's helping a little bit, but the other app I'm using is kind of off. So hold on. I'm just gonna do. I don't know if this has support for. Yeah, I'll just do this here. So give me 1 second. Let me see if this works better. And then I'm gonna go to camp. Ew. anyway, I can look at it another time. Just it's taking too much time. I'd rather just keep working and then see how much I can finish this. Oh, actually, 1 second. Oh, so it does weird stuff. God damn it. Blech. Yeah, this is still the same. Oh my god. All right, this is good enough. I just want to continue. Anyway, what was I doing? I just did install the thing, but this is not working because I think it wants the installed apps to have core in it, right? Okay, now it shows up here. So it was working. It just didn't like the way that we were doing this thing. So coolio. So it shows up. Sweet. Cool. And we're gonna come down here, and then I'm gonna delete this, right? That's gone, and then delete views. That's gone. Cool. Delete this. That's also gone. Admin. I do not know if it's gonna be here or not, but all right. So we're gonna do here Python package. We're gonna say models. Cool. Do it. And then we're gonna do what else? Ah! Tests. I forgot about that. Tests. Cool. That's also good. So sweet. Yeah, because I'm gonna have like my base test client and my base models and all that stuff. So I'm gonna do this thing here, create a new Python file. This is gonna be base.py again. We're gonna do this thing, and then from Django.models, from Django.db, import models, and then class base model. Cool. We're gonna do here id equals models dot uuid field. We're gonna do this default uuid 4. Thank you. Editable false. What the fuck does it? Okay, hold on. Django model editable. I wanna see what model field reference. What's that mean? Editable, editable. Okay. If that becomes a problem, I can. Yeah, I can come back to it. So this is good. Let's do this. And then, yeah, create that. I like that it knows what I'm trying to do, you know? And then update that. Okay. and then is deleted, default false, class meta, and then I need abstract equals true. Cool. Let's add a commentary here for, you know, all the other purposes that we want to be maintaining why this is here. All models to inherit from base model. Provide commonly shared fields to submodels. Disto deleted add is deleted. Oh my god, this is so loud. Shit. DevCon game, thanks for the follow and welcome, and thanks for scaring me. I did not expect it to be like that loud. My bad. Actually, I like how we are thinking. So I'm gonna do this. Delete that. Okay, this is gonna be date time field. And then I'm gonna say here, auto now add false. Okay. Auto now add false. Default equals none. Null true. Blank equals false. Okay, and apparently typo. And now I can do this. Def. I'm gonna do a property, and then is deleted. What the? I'm doing some shit. Return self dot deleted that is not none. Cool. It's makes sense, yeah? We all need a little scare in life, like accidentally pushing to production on a Friday. That's like the worst thing. That's like the worst thing. I've actually done that, like not accidentally pushing, but like we deployed on Friday twice so far since I started, and then every time it gives me so much anxiety. I don't like doing it. Like for me, the best day to do it is on a Thursday. So if anything is wrong that you figure out by the next day, you can address things on a Friday. And then you can just chill out over the weekend without having to worry about things. But sometimes it's not always in your control. Actually, most of the time it's not in your control, right? Like it's not up to you. Soft delete. Indicator. Okay, so I think this should be good if I'm not mistaken. Trying to like figure out if there's like any side effects of this. You end up thinking about it over the weekend, like, am I gonna come into nightmare Monday morning, or am I getting a call on Saturday that everything is on fire? I experienced both, actually. It's just like, this one just gives you anxiety. You don't get to enjoy your weekend because like, shit, like what's happening in my life? My life is out of my control. Okay. I think this makes sense. So I'm also going to end up creating a new thing called users, because I want to have a custom user model But before we get there, I want to make sure that my app still runs. How was I running it? I was running it like this. Connection to server on socket failed. No. Okay, that makes sense. It's okay that it doesn't work because it's looking for DB that doesn't exist, because our reference to our host here is coming through the this is none, right? I'm guessing. Does the shell even work? Shit, it does. From Django.conf import settings. Okay, settings dot databases. they are all none. Of course, it's not going to be able to find it. All right, so let's Dockerize this fucker. Okay, I'm gonna do here from Python 3.13 RC. Which one is like? I'll just do RC. I think that will have everything, right? If I'm not wrong. But we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna do here work there. I'm gonna do Lumen app. Okay. And we're gonna do here copy. Lumen app. To here. I'm guessing like since I'm in this directory, it makes sense, right? Right? You like using PyCharm, assuming community edition instead of pro version? Oh, this is the pro version. This is the paid one. I'm using the paid one. There's like a lot of grievances I had to deal with on the community edition version, like plugins and things like this that makes a lot of issues and that slows down my thing. And I genuinely don't like using VS Code. So I enjoy IntelliJ projects, so like the JetBrains products. So I'm happy with my setup. Like my second thing would be just like Win. That's where I have been at. I've been using VS Code for a long time and was looking at the single license for PyCharm since plugins as well. Yeah, I think honestly VS Code is not bad. I don't have any issues with VS Code, like on a fundamental level. The things is that like they don't have like a proper UI for settings, you know, like you end up having to like type things manually and things like this. I just don't like that, especially like if I'm assigning fonts. Like I don't get a confirmation and things like this. It's kind of like weird. I think if I went through the learning curve, I would probably have a better experience with it than just simply saying that I'm not enjoying it. But you know, that's me. I always do that. I'm gonna give this a try. And then let's see if it works. And what else? Okay, this is already good. This is good. This is good. We don't need this. I'm gonna comment it out for now. 8,000. No. Depends on this. Depends on that. Don't know if I need to link DB as a thing, but let's see. So let's go. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Felt like the autocompletions even were better and nice that it also works on Linux. Time to get Dockerized. Yeah, I Dockerize everything. Yeah. I honestly don't like the autocompletes on this one that much. I think they started using AI, and since they started using AI, it just became really weird. It kind of feels like Copilot. about 10% of the time it makes like decent suggestions. The rest of the time it's just like not what I want. Okay, what? Oh, so I'm gonna do pip. We're gonna do here run pip install r. We're gonna do dev dot requirements dot txt. I cannot spell. Some of the AI completions are useless. They are definitely useless. I try to turn it off, but even after I turned off their AI thing, it still gives me that additional thing. All right, let me see if this is gonna work. I'm gonna do exit. Cool. I'm gonna go up one direct. Actually, I'm gonna go over. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Okay. Guaci preferences. I think it is this one. Thank you. And then keyboard shortcuts. Navigation. Previous tab. Ah, you motherfucker. There you go. This is good. Close. Thank you. So if I'm here, cool. Thank you. I'm just gonna do make redo. I fucking love it. Okay. Coco, where's my boy? Coco's a good boy. Where's Mr. Kitty? My cat is like meowing. Oh, it did work on first try. No way. Okay. This is making me suspicious. Something should have broken. Coco, come watch me make things work at first try. Coco, where's my boy? Mr. Kitty. Repos. No such file or direct. Watch me do. Oh, okay, so I think. Oh yeah, what is this? Where is it coming from? I don't understand. All right, let's do redo. Coco, where's my boy? Okay, I think my redo is not really doing the redo. So let me see what the problem is. Make down. Make up. Let's make this all. Cool. It feels like it is straight up skipping dealing with API. Yes, my boy. Where's Coco? Where's my kitty? Come on. Come on, Coco. Jump in, babe. Huh? Come say hi. Where's Coco? Come on. Oh, look at this boy. He's a good boy. Huh? They can't see you because the camera is excluding you, Coco. Huh? He's a good boy. Yeah, look at this kid. He's a good boy. Look at this kid. Such a good kid. Yes. You want some kibbles, Coco? Biscuits for coding? Oh yeah. Come on, babe. Dude, he eats kibbles like right from my hand. Don't spit it out. Oh man, this morning I woke up, I gave him his breakfast, and then I opened the door for him so he could go to the backyard, and then I went back to bed to, you know, sleep in a bit longer. And I wake up again after like, you know, hour or so, and I go to the living room and I have a floor mat. This motherfucker goes outside, catches a mouse, brings it inside, kills it inside, rips its skin off like partially, completely like separate, like, you know, removes the skin, and then just lays, like leaves it there laying on the floor mat. When I saw it, I'm like, what the hell am I looking at? Mr. Kitty. Yeah. Go down. Go down. Come on. You're good. Such a good boy. Huh. You can jump here, babe. Huh. Woo! Such a good boy. Nick! Welcome, baby boy. Justin is the third. It's me. How you doing, my man? Like a warrior showing you his prize? Yeah. So far this summer he caught I think 3 mice, and 1 bird, 1 sparrow. All right. Is it still running? It is running? What the hell? Hold on, let me see. Doesn't look like it's running. You are well excited to start. So when is the start date? Do you have like a reference when you're gonna be starting? So 8,000 to 8,000, this to this. So what is going on here then? Because I can see that it is there. Latest next weekend. No idea what the Fiverr guy is up to. Oh boy. How much did you pay him for the logo? Or whatever he's doing? Original date is in like 2 days, but he requested some extra time. Sweet. It's like he's gonna be working really hard. I don't know. So everything is here. The apps are here. So what is the deal? Why wouldn't it work? If I try to do, right, run server like this, it should give me an error, right? Port is already being in use. Error loading PsychoPG2 model. What? 60, it's for character artwork, $60, I think. I got like some discount from Fiverr. Okay. It sounds like you kind of use like a premium package or something like that, right? Like, or it's just like his rate. So PsychoPG2 binary is right there. So how come it doesn't? How come it doesn't have it? PsychoPG, Psycho. It's there. He has like 50, 70, 100. There are like 3 tiers. You pick the middle. Sweet. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, there is nothing left there for like $5 anymore. It's all, it just fucking, you know, it just went up so high. No module named PsychoPG. Huh, but we did install PsychoPG. What is going on here? PSYCOPG. Okay. What the f— Hold on, why did it choose to use that? That doesn't make any sense. Isn't it a dependency already for it to install that? It went from $5 to increments of 5, now for 5 times 15. So the character artwork thing that you are talking about, that's for the channel, right? Like that's for your Twitch channel or whatever platform you are looking to like stream on. And are you gonna be streaming on any other platform besides Twitch? I figure I'll just start simple with Twitch and go from there. Okay, that's fair. It's more for myself than any sort of financial thing. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. I'm still like doing the three platform setup right now because I already had it like working prior, so like nothing new or fancy there. Okay, I want to see if I was. Okay, so this is kind of a thing. Expose that, expose that. Key. Let's also do that because I actually forgot that. It's weird. Why is it running here, but it's not running from inside? Okay, let's do this. Docker compose logs API. This is kind of nuts. Okay. It works because this wasn't able to restart it, so I'm guessing hence the situation. All right, I'm gonna do something here. Okay. Make down. Oh shit. Exit. Make down. Okay, it's not. It's gone. And if I do go ahead and comment this out, and I just make this 312. Okay. Make up, please. Let's see if this is gonna make a difference for us. This is always like the most annoying part, honestly. Like once until you set this up, it's always like a little, you know, annoying. Okay, now it works. That's a Python 13 problem, very apparently. I'm guessing like things are not working properly in Python 13 due to the compatibility issues. In my opinion, I think that's what's happening. Breaking changes exist and it's not allowing the packages to operate. All right, so I guess we're gonna go with Python 12 for now, but when it does come out, I'm going to be moving up to that. So I think that's okay for now. So both for my Django version and Python version, as soon as the next one comes out, I'm upping it. Cool. It's gonna be interesting. Okay. There's nothing else to do here. Nothing to do over here. And I don't like that this is so fucking long, so let me see if I can move this. Okay. Into here. I don't know if that's a thing. Hold on. Profile entry point. Okay. It allows you to configure a container that will run as an executable. It has two possible forms, the exec form and then command prompt. Okay, this is the one I've done, so I think it should be okay. In that case, make, redo. Let's see if it is gonna do our thingy. Cool. Shouldn't take this long. I don't know why it's taking that long. Okay, Docker PSA. Is it? Okay, it does work. Docker compose logs API. I see it. And if I do reload this, I see it. Sweet. So it does work, which is good. Really, really good. I like it. Alrighty. So this is good. This is also good. This is also good, good, good. So now I'm going to do this. I'm gonna close all these here because I don't really need them to be here. And then here, where am I? I'm inside that. Okay, I'm gonna do here manage.py. Start app user. Okay, another thing I don't remember. Django app names, plural or singular? Naming convention for Django apps. They must be valid package names. Rules out. Import my Django app would be a syntax error. It looks like they are using plural where it makes sense, but if you say like outs, that would be, I think that would just sound weird. So I think I'm gonna go with plural. So let's go with with that. Touch users dot URLs. I don't know why I put the dot there. URLs.py. Okay, this is good. So now I have to go base.py in the settings and then key. I'm gonna call this local apps. Okay, I'm gonna call this users. Thank you. So if I'm to look at this thing here, Python packages, Python console, Django structure. We see the users here. So this is this is good. All right, hold on. And gosh darn it, what am I doing? Okay, so models gone, and then tests gone. Views, it's gonna stay. URLs is good, and then I'm gonna go here and then do Python package. I'm gonna call this models, and then go ahead. And then this one, another Python package. We're gonna call this tests. Add it. That's fine. And Garam Grigorian, what are you building? I'm just starting a new project right now called Lumen Gift. And it's going to be a gift platform. Like we're going to be able to go buy gifts for your loved ones, or for events, for Christmas and Thanksgiving and birthdays, yada yada yada. And then you'll be able to schedule them as well. Like you're gonna say, deliver it to this address at this hour, and then we're gonna be able to do that if we can accommodate it. So I'm gonna be using Next.js and Python for that, and then kind of go from there, if that makes sense. So far things are working, and then it's good. It's working inside Docker, which is even better. I think now I can actually go to close tabs to the right, and I'm gonna go get the Next.js. Let's get started. Get started. What is Next.js? Just give me the installation. All right, I think this is like pretty good. So first, let's go over here. Let's go over here. What? Okay, I'm at the root directory of the thing, so which is good. And first, before I forget things, touch dot git ignore. Cool. And then I'm gonna do dot git ignore. Okay. Dot idea. Oh, I did it twice. And the next one is node modules, right? Okay. And then py cache. I think that's how it is spelled. Cool. Let's see if I do a git st. I should not be seeing any node modules or dot. Oh, also the dot env should not be there. Oh, Fuck off! Just let me suffer that in every time. All right, if I do another git st, the .env file should be gone. Okay, it's gone. There is nothing here that doesn't belong. I don't see any underscore directories with sweet. This is good, right? Cool. I'm glad you agree. Hold on. Shit. Coco, what do you want, baby boy? Huh? What's my kitty want? Coco wants something. He's just like looking at me up here. Okay. So, and I'm gonna do here. Okay, what's the best way before I forget? Python join lists. Concatenate. I know I can just use the plus sign bit. Third party apps. I'm gonna do here third. Do I really need to do this? REST framework. I guess I kind of have to, but you know. And then we're gonna do here installed apps, third party apps. Okay, I think it should still work. Also, is it even reloading? I don't know if it is like reloading. Did it reload? It did. Sweet. Nice. Nice. Coco, it works. Papa is making it work, Coco. That's my boy. Coco, you're a good boy. Oh, it's a big yacht. Yeah, Mr. Kitty. He's so cute. Like just giving me like cuteness aggression. Ah! Shit, what was I doing here? What was I doing here? I forget what I was doing here. Okay. Let's get started with the front end now. Right. So, okay. So we're gonna do here. Okay. npx blah, 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 blah. Cool. Do I have npm? No. Okay, next thing here. Node versions. Let's see where we are at with the latest releases. We are at 22. Oh, dang. Okay, so in this case, nvm use 22. nvm install 22. nvm use 22. Cool. And I'll do npx create app latest. Let's call it. What's the project? What's your project named? What should I name it? Should I just call it Lumen Front? Actually, that makes sense. Lumen Front. Would you like to use TypeScript? Yes, please. ESLint? Yes, please. Tailwind CSS? Nope. Source directory? Yes. App router? Yes. Yes. Shit, I should have changed it. Fudge! God damn it. Welcome back, Nick. Okay. CD, Lumen front. Okay. I don't want to see node modules in there. Nope. Coolio. Sorry, hit on the mouse, as I said. Bro, my cat caught a mouse today. I'm so proud. I'm a proud papa. Coco, I can hear you, but I can't see where you are. Ugh. All right. It's more to give myself some trackability to encourage myself to keep working on it consistently. That makes sense. Honestly, today, like, it's the reason that I actually started streaming, because I wanted to get this set up so I can at least, like, periodically, you know, throw some work into it. But when I'm just sitting here on the couch by myself, on the chair by myself, I'm not really pushing forward because work is wearing me down. Okay, so I'm gonna do here this. Okay, npm run dev. I think that should kind of do it then. We have an Next.js 14, and if I am doing this, duplicate here and then make this 3000, I should see my Next.js loading up for the papa. Okay. All right, cool. So this does work. I'm gonna go over here. Okay, I'm gonna do vim makefile. Cool. We're gonna have to make a few changes here. Okay, and we're gonna call this npm. Okay, we're gonna do here npm. Oh no, we're gonna do here cd lumen front and npm install. That's pretty much it, right? Sweet, cool. And I'm gonna go down here now. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do here npm. Oh, I'm gonna do make npm. Cool. So if I do make up, hold on. I'm gonna do lsla. Make sure that nothing shows up here in terms of the node modules and shit. And then I'm gonna do here make up. npm not found. What the fuck? Okay, so it does work, which is good. I'm gonna turn you down and do some work. Shout my name if you wish for me, Tovarish. Okay, I did. Do your thing. Cool. I had a miss cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, cool. So it does work, which is good, but now it's time to shut it down. And time to go create another file here. Okay, this is going to be, oh, I already have it. What? Ah. From node 22. I think that should just work. And then we're gonna do here copy. Let's do a work first. We're gonna do here lumen front. And then we're gonna do copy lumen front to here, and entry point is going to be npm run dev. I think that's it. because we do not install anything that's like from inside the container. We do it from outside the container. Now let's go get it from the papa right here. Next.js. This is gonna be problematic bit. What to do? Give me that. Close this. And we don't need this anymore, so we're good. We're good. All right. Next.js, cool. On that stop in the Next.js. Don't need this. Okay, Docker. Next.js Docker file. We don't have a network here that we need to worry about. Volumes, we're gonna do here Lumen front to Lumen front. Depends on API links. Nginx API that find local. I'm just gonna call this API to API dot Lumen Gift .net. I think this should work. Coolios? Coolios. All right, let's do it. We're gonna do here, we're gonna do here, make it down. This might fail. It's gonna try to kill a container that doesn't exist, but let's see how it works. Damn, it didn't do anything. It didn't care. Did I like do wrong with the indentation here? No, right? Yeah, it's not. So let's go make up. Okay, it did install. Perfect. Doing the DB right now because it's a dependency, and then it's doing the API because it's a dependency to Next.js, and then it will do the Next.js as the last one. And I think if all works well, it should be pretty good to go. And then I should be able to still reach it over here afterwards. Okay, let's do a Docker PSA. Everything is up. Ah! Works on the first try, baby! I like it! I'm so good! Alright, now we need to get Chakra UI. Chakra UI working. Chakra UI. Chakra UI. Let's go, baby. Woo! I think, okay, Next.js app. That's the one that we are using, right? Hold on. What the fuck is... No, it should be the layout. There we go. Cool, 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 cool. All right, let's go over here. Okay. Okay. Let's make sure there's a package.json here. Yes, there is, and we appreciate it. So we're gonna do here, paste this. Okay, we're gonna do here node version 22, perfect. And we're gonna send it. Let's go. That was fast and didn't even tell me anything. Whatever. I'm hoping this still works. Yes. Okay, hold on. I should do this. Ew. On the right side? Ew. Come. Ew. Ew. Cool. Cool. Alright. Nothing is broken. And now let's go to the providers in the very source of this thing. Lumen front. Give me the Lumen front. Next, node modules. Oh, I should exclude this one as well. Not modules. Next. Thank you. So if I do git st, I should not see that. This is getting so big. Fuck. Gonna have to like really pay attention to that. Okay. So now we're gonna go here. Source, app, layout, global. Okay, you're gone. Go. Favicon, eco. I'm gonna keep it for now. This is gone. Cool. Page.tsx. Next.image. I think this is using the where's the logo styles. Page.module.css. What the fuck? This is home. Okay. So we're gonna do a new TypeScript file here. It's gonna be JSX. We're gonna call this. I'm gonna call this Chakra Provide. Yeah, let's do providers. It's supposed to be lowercase, right? Providers. Yep. Okay. Okay. Okay, Chakra Provider. I'm gonna call it as no, I don't want to do that. I'm gonna call this Chakra Provider C Provider. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna call this Chakra. It would be nice if I could spell. God damn it. And here I can just declare the theme, which I kind of want. So I'm going to steal that one from the other one because I do not want to go through creating it again. Up, and then theme. Oh shit, this is so big. Button. Styles. I think this is acceptable. Not bad. Okay, and then I'm just gonna do here theme equals theme. Import theme app.theme. Oh shit, I gotta change that. Okay, yeah, I don't like that. So I'm gonna go over here. This is gonna be a tilde. Cool. So this is the first place I actually used it. Let's make it tilde. Okay. 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 And then, yeah, let's go over here. This is how we do it. In the layout, I kind of want to take this out here, and then in the layout, I don't know if I'm missing anything here. Root layout, children, read only. So just simply wrap children in Chakra. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna call it Chakra Provider and do this. Import. What? Is it already imported for me? Okay, this is fine. title, I'm gonna call here Lumen Gift. Okay, description, give from within lumengift.com, whatever. Read only this chakra provider. Oh, that's why it's not finding it. Thank you. Ah, fuck. Yeah. Okay, we don't need this anymore. I just wanted it for reference. And what is this complaining about? All right, so this should still work. It's looking for a CSS file somewhere. I think it's here. Yeah, what are you doing? Go away. Ew, I'm just gonna say here. Yeah, that makes sense. Just like. Eh. Okay. Coolios. I'm gonna just remove this and then remove this and then motherfucker. There we go. There we go. We're good. And that's all that matters right now. So now I'm gonna also steal the styles on this one. What was it called? tsconfig. Nope. I think it's pretty ESLint. There we go. It should be just on the delete this fucker. Okay, hold on. Extends. If there's an extends, I want to see it. Ugh. Did it break? No? Okay. Bruh, that was interesting. Here. I want to remove this fucking thing. Hold on. ESLint. Yeah, I want to delete this. Delete it. Okay. This is the one we want to use. Yeah. Okay. Cool. So this is all set and it works off of the all Dockerized setup. Like nothing is coming from directly on the local file system. And I think given the setup that we just have, I can do my first commit now. So git st shit. So much here. All right, let me see. Okay. Makes sense. Okay, so we are missing a few things here. In the settings, yeah, we are missing production. Okay, not just yet, big boy. This is gonna be this, and then this is going to be simply this. Make sense? Yes, I'm glad you agree. Bro. This is production, and we are also gonna copy paste this to stage. No. Did I name it stage or staging? I called it stage. Okay. So that's good. I did name it correctly. We're gonna do this true. Allowed hosts are going to be everything. Not necessarily everything, but I think we can okay. And we're gonna have test. This might be a little problem because Django looks for files that starts with test. So we'll see. We'll see how it's gonna work. If it becomes a problem, we can get rid of it. But I think aside from that, yeah, we should be good. All right. Okay, 1 second here. There we go. There we go. Okay. So before we also do this, let me do a quick check row. Okay, we're gonna do, yeah, I need a tux file. Okay, it needs to be in this one here. Okay, we're gonna do a file tux.ini. Okay, yeah, let's add that, and then we're gonna do here tux.ini isort. Okay, perfect. So this is pretty much what I need. And I'm gonna do this profile black. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but I know I have this over here. So see if I can just import it without having to write it from scratch. Oh, it does do the black. Okay. Okay, let's see this and multiply output profile black. Okay, we're gonna get rid of these. Line length 79, wrap length 79, include trailing comma, false. Yep, I fucking hate that trailing comma. Source paths. I don't know if this works, but let's see. Let's see. I do not know. So it wants me to check to get the config. How do we get the config? Shove config. Okay. Okay, I don't know where. SRC. Yeah. What? Don't. This is a long ass. What? Bro. $79 wrapped length 0. How come it's not multi-line? Okay, let me see fucking. You know what? Fuck it. ISort. Skip 2 files. I mean, there's nothing to really like fix, so I guess like it kind of makes sense. But just for the sake of doing this, I'm gonna do that here. All right. I'm gonna do import OS, for example, and then see if it is going to. Okay, it did fix it. It moved the OS over there. So I'm gonna just do this intentionally. Import OS sys. Okay, and then I'm gonna do from REST framework, view sets. What else can I? Schemas, and then status, and then serializers, and then settings, and then reverse, and then fields. Okay, let's see. I wanted to break it. No, it needs to go to the next line. Because if I do this, it doesn't do anything. And then M3, it did. This is what I want. So what the fuck? Why isn't it doing that? Yeah, multi-line output 3. That's not good. If it is becoming a thing, then yeah, let's actually use that and see if that would work better in any capacity. So I'm just gonna do a refactor and then do this. Okay. I don't know if you can like comment these things out. Tool.isort. Profile hug. I have no idea what that means. But let me see if this would do my thing. Skip 2 files. Okay. Okay, yeah. Doesn't change it. Why the fuck isn't it changing it? No, what the? Bro. Multi-line output, bro. Check only. Ooh, there is a lot of CA right here. Combine as imports on the same line. Mouse got sniped. How do you mean? And thrown out to be feasted on by the birds. Like, is that what it's supposed to be? I don't get it. An air gun is quite useful. We don't want to put bolt holes in the floor after all. You got that enraged against the mouse? Far easier, safer, and more painless for the mouse to put a bullet through it than to go chasing it with a brick. Yeah. Multi-line output. Stream file, check file, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, reference documentation. Only big problem is having it stay in a place where you have a clear line of fire. Config files. It's right here, but it doesn't use it. What the fuck? Is it supposed to be like 4? No. Oh, it's broken. It doesn't even care. No. Yeah, this file is fucked and it still doesn't, okay. Configuration options for iSort. Okay. options. But how would you put this in a file? Like we just do combine as? I don't get it. What the fuck? Is that what's happening here? Combine as. Still doesn't care. Yeah. But if I do this, M3, it will fix it immediately. Motherfucker, bro. Oh shit, I hit the wrong key. I locked the whole what happens when you hit Control 12? What the fuck is going on here? Please work. I got work to do. Oh, thank God. Shit, it came back. Yay! I was chin. I was lost. I was lost there. Everything came back. Thank you. I had to Google it real quick. Okay. I guess this is what we're gonna end up having to do, so we should be good. Okay. And let's do flake 8 marksnet. Okay, let's go clear these. Admin. Okay. What was the second one? Settings init. Oh. Okay, that's kind of fair. No QA F401. I think that's what it was. 403. Yeah. Okay. Development. Yay. Okay. Users admin. That's the last one. Imported but not used. Sweetness. Okay. So let me see if Flake 8 config. Let's see if it supports the TOML file, because if it does, configuration location. Okay. Supports its configuration in your project in one of setup.cfg, tox.ini, or Flake 8. Okay, and I remember reading that they were not looking to deal with other thing here, Flake 8. Yeah, I guess we're gonna go to tox.ini here because it doesn't look like they do want to work. Oh shit. I think I'm gonna try. Doesn't care about it. Refactor. Let's go to tox.ini. It seems like there is like still coming behind. So we're gonna go over here. Oh, it needs to be just this. Cool. There we go. Hog doesn't exist. Okay. It does see the reference in this. Specified profile black. Okay, let's do this. Pip install black. I'm hoping this is gonna work. I comment that motherfucker out. Okay. Default false. Config default false. Python config file name combine as imports. Okay, so it needs to be combine as imports. That's what it wants. Oh, settings development up high. Holy shit, it did something. I don't know what it did, but it did something. There is like more than 3. Oh yeah, what? Okay. Fields and schemas, static, stacked and no. Stack. Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Nine. What else do I have here? Exceptions, reverse. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna do what I needed to do. It did. See, it works from the INA file. It doesn't work from the fucking Toml. When it starts working on Toml, I can move it to Toml. But right now, Flickit doesn't work, and then iSort also doesn't work. So I guess we're good. Sweet. And Flickit, cool. Okay. So I'm gonna create a new thing. I'm gonna call makefile here, and then go to the very end, and then I'm gonna do here check formatting. Okay. cd lumen app and run Flickit. C. Okay. And then iSort. Let's see. I don't know if this is going to work, but let's give it a try. Make check formatting. Flickit not found. Activate Lumen. Thank you. Ooh. But it should be a different thing. I don't think that really works the way it is. So let's do this. Okay. We're gonna say here check Flickit. Okay, Docker exec API Flickit. This. Then we're gonna do here make check Flickit, right? Make check iSort, right? And then check iSort, Docker exec API iSort dot, and then C. Okay. And then write and quit, make check formatting Flakate, file, unrecognized arguments, C. Blech. Oh shit! It's already it's already checked by default. What am I doing? And this was quite stupid. Okay. Cool. Cool. Nice. Nice and clean, eh? Yeah. I think this is pretty neat, yo. Yeah. I like that this just works as expected. I don't have to worry about anything here. Nick, I made everything work so far, so I think we are pretty good. And yeah. You've used stuff like Fiverr more than me. Yeah, I have. I have used it. I don't know if it is more than you. Ugh. Actually, I kind of stopped using Fiverr. These days, I use more Upwork than Fiverr. Fiverr kind of feels like a cesspool these days. Is it reasonable to hire a guy to redo a front-end page? You are better doing that on Upwork. I would say use Upwork. That's definitely going to work out better. And you can actually post your job and let people bid on it for the cheapest price. Yeah, go to Upwork. Go to Upwork. That's what you need. Upwork so far, like, it hasn't failed me. Like, I had a pretty good experience on Upwork, significantly better compared to Fiverr. On Fiverr, you reach out to people. On Upwork, they reach out to you. No, it doesn't mean like you have to choose whoever bids like lowest. You choose from the list of applicants who applied to the job you listed. On Upwork, the talent comes to you, they apply to you. You can invite the talent to apply to your listing, but other than that, it's like people applying to your thing from all over the world, and then you choose whoever like you resonate the best with. If you want a proper front end, I would look at the listings and then see if like what the price range is. And then it also depends on the requirements that you have and the libraries or frameworks or whatever stack you are using. It depends on that as well. Like, let's say like you are using Vue, you are not gonna get as many applicants as like, let's say React. So it depends on the technology that you want it created with, your price will vary. Like I am using Chakra UI, so it's like the talent is a bit more rare compared to Bootstrap, right? But if it is Bootstrap, I'm pretty sure I can create like a landing page or a home page for like $30 to $50, maybe even less, depending on the country. But for Chakra, that's a little harder to come by. So like I said, it depends on them. I mean, the backend connection is probably going to be Node.js. That doesn't really matter. What matters is how rare the stack that you have, and then like what technologies you want them to use, and then what's the talent pool for that is like. Yeah, do you have a design for your front end, or like you want it like designed and then created? Which one, like, or is it both, or is it either or? Like, for example, I'm gonna get on Upwork pretty soon to get a logo done, right? I'm not gonna be using Fiverr for it, most likely. Yeah, both. Then yeah, again, I'm guessing like it's easily over 50, at least like starting from 50 minimum, simply because the person will have to create a design, present it to you, get your approval, and then do revisions if you are not happy with it. And then after you approve the revision, the final design, then he's gonna go end up creating it in the tech stack that you need or that you want, right? So easily 50, and that's like me guessing that you're gonna be using like India, Pakistan, Philippines, or something like this. Like you gotta consider every single like step from beginning to the end, and then how it is supposed to work, and then the things that you want, because you're gonna want milestones, which like the first one being the design, and you have to approve the design, and probably it's gonna come with like revisions. Yeah, so you're gonna need to make a list. Okay, these are the sections or components I want. This, that, whatever they are. And then before that can happen, you're gonna say like you want a design, and then create a milestone for the design, and then describe what your design to look like how you want it to look like, what colors and things like this you want, if there is any, and then let the person create it for the first milestone. And then if the first milestone checks out, then you go on to the second one. Makes sense? I'll be posting the commission after I finish all the backend work. That works. Yeah. I actually don't know what options I'll have. Yeah, that's actually safer. Like when you are more certain on the components or the expected like visual UI UX things that you want, an informed listing is going to be a better listing than just like estimating, guessing. Okay, let me start from the top. Lumen app init.py, core models init.py, models based.py, core tests. Okay, settings init, settings development test, tox ini, models init.py, users test init.py, loom front. Okay, we have that. Providers.txt. Okay. Modified. Okay, this. Okay, that. Okay, this is good. Git ignore, yes. Make file, yes. Docker compose, Docker, cool. As git.py. I know like it's generated, but I still want to see what's in there. We still have WizGit, crazy. Cool. Okay, dev.requirements, settings.base, production stage. Okay, did I delete the settings.py file? Okay, it's gone. Sweet. Manage.py, requirements of users init, users admin, apps, migrations, URLs, views. Does users have tests and models? Okay, cool. Git ignore, that's fine. Readme next config MJS. What the fuck is MJS? What? Okay. Well, okay. Just learned something. Package.log. Hold on. Shouldn't this be like excluded? Okay. Ignore. Okay. Package.json, public, favicon, layout, page, theme, JSON. I think we are good, yeah. Git, st, git. Oh boy. Uh, hold on, this is a fucking private repo. What the fuck? What am I doing here? Okay. So I'm gonna have to log into my thing here real quick, and then I'm gonna make master a protected branch. You know what I'm saying? 1 second. Yeah. There we go. Main. View all branches. Coco! Oh, look who just showed up. Who just showed up? Look at this boy. This a good boy. Coco. Coco. Don't put your tail in my mouth, Coco. Coco, what's my kitty want, eh? Huh? Look at this boy. Such a good boy. Coco, you're a good kitty. Hmm? Coco's a good kitty. Look at this kitty. Ooh, look at this boy. Hey, Coco, there's so much hair all over the place. What do you want, baby? Coco wants something. Huh? Huh? Come here. Come here. Oh, look at this boy. Oh, look at this boy. Oh, he's hungry. Coco is hungry. Coco wants food. Yeah, it's my boy. Guys, I'm gonna give this boy some food and then I'll be back. Right, my boy. Oh, look at this boy. Such a good boy. Yes. All right, y'all. I'll be back after giving some food to this boy. All right, Coco. Yeah, let's not tip over the green screen, eh? Huh? Trying to be careful, eh? Such a good boy. Come on, babe. Come. Let's get some food. Come. Where's my boy? back. Cat is fat. Cat is fed, not fat. He was fat, but not anymore. Okay. So I'm gonna do branches. You haven't protected any of your branches. Add branch rule set, and then rule set name. What? Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work. Activation. What? Okay. It's doing it 2FA. Okay. So I'm gonna try to make, let's say, like a simple change here to one of the files. For example, yeah, remove like a line. I'm gonna do git add, git commit, right, removed line from talk and git push. Nice. All right, it's doing what we wanted to do, which is good. Oh shit, what did he type? I didn't see it. What did he type? Oh, yeah, thanks, Nick. What the hell? It's like something I've never cared about that much, but people just keep offering it every time I go online. Bro. Nick is like immediately get wrecked. Bro. Ugh. So tomorrow, I'm guessing I'm off. I don't know for 100%. Like, I'm not 100% certain. But I think I should be off tomorrow. Because it's Canada Day here. So we'll see if I can like still stream again. I'll probably know like around noonish, before noonish my time, to see if I'm gonna be able to stream or not. But if I don't work, I'll stream. Good, eh? Loads gun with malicious intent. Bro. We are 1 follower away from 1200. I was like 1199 right now. Should have bought a follower. I think if I stream again, if I just keep streaming, maybe tomorrow we might get another follower. If somebody doesn't unfollow us. Right? it happens. Oh shit, we just got a follower. Scared the hell out of me. God damn it. I was talking about that. Smoking wise, my what? Yo, thanks for the follow. Speaking of bot follows, Helmet, how we doing, man? God damn it. Ah. Ooh, smoking wise mystical trees. Okay, I didn't get a chance to read it properly, but now I read it. Thanks. Is that okay? That's the account connected to my Django Twitch IRC shenanigans. Oh, cool. Like, you do like any streams or anything here? Like, cause I don't really see any activity here at all. But we hit 1200. That's a good number. That is a milestone number right there. So I think I'm gonna call it, guys, right? Like, I did pretty decent for setting up everything. And I think starting tomorrow or whenever I stream again, I can just continue on actually like creating features and whatnot. So I think that should be pretty good. Oh, look, this already had a lot of things that I would need to, yeah. Ooh, nice. Nice. Cool. Today was a good day. Like, I feel productive. And I did what I wanted to do. I literally set up the initial step, and it's all in a working condition, and I can genuinely get started creating features now. Right? Right. Do the whole thing in ASCII. It's already in ASCII. It is using ASCII. So if you look at this, the actual app itself, it uses ASCII, and then we run it with Docker using Daphne, which uses ASCII. The whole thing in binary. I'll do the whole thing in assembly. How about that? Do the whole thing in C++. I've tried ASCII in Django and ASCII, but man, is it hard to use the ORM on that. It should have no effects whatsoever. It doesn't change how you use the ORM. In async view, it does. Okay, well, I'll be touching those here. Like, everything I do here is going to be async, most likely. So I think like that would be a good learning experience for me as well. You have to make the code thread safe. We can do that. I mean, we'll do our best for that. So the thing is right now, like I want to use the async, and then But running the Django server in ASCII doesn't necessarily mean that your code itself has to be async. It means that it can do concurrency. Oh, you can run multiple instances of Django, so it can handle multiple requests. Like Django can handle multiple incoming requests at the same time concurrently. That's like the main thing. Yeah, they are like, I know that they are moving more towards that side now. With the thing, where is Django? I think I just like close tabs to the right, there, and then let's do. typing is hard. Django async. Let's go. So we are looking at one. Okay, let's do 5.1 just in case. Yeah. Cool. At a certain point, though, it's just like use Node.js honestly, and I'm biased towards Django. I don't trust JavaScript that much. That's my deal. I don't have full confidence in it. I feel like at one point or another, JavaScript would fuck me over, and then I'm gonna regret it. What about TS? Same thing. It compiles down to it when you are running it. Not compiles, transpiles. I'm using that like interchangeably a lot, so. So the thing I'm trying to understand here, what does it mean by saying non-async, no synchronous middleware? I wonder if the lunatic, hey, how's it doing? How are you doing? Sorry, not how is it doing. How are you doing? So the one here, does it? Is it agnostic? Like this one, for example, Django middleware, security middleware. I don't think this uses async, does it? Back from Turkey, how was your trip? Oh, the trip was awesome. I had a really good time. And I, whatchamacall this thing? I did all the travel I wanted to do. I did some improvising with the trip and then ate all the good food that I wanted. Yeah, I had an awesome time. I really want to go do it again. And then when I came back, I started a new job, and then it took like a lot of time. So, job well done, hell yeah. It popped up in my chat dialog and forced to click acknowledge. Oh. So, I don't understand if this is async or if Django automatically... Oh, there you go. Okay, there you go. Sync capable, async capable. Okay. 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 There we go. Sweet, dude. But it is doing it's converting it to sync to async, passing the variable to the thing. Okay. 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 So this is using threads, which is good. And oh, nice. Okay, this is really not bad. I feel like I'm gonna end up learning something new here because I didn't get a chance to use this before. Now is the time. For performance, you've actually got to be taking advantage of the event loop, otherwise regular WSGI will outperform. Oh, I didn't know that. But this is using like the automated version of threading, right? Like thread pull executor. This is like automated. It'll take care of the pull itself. Yeah, I actually utilized this in one of my packages, I think. I know I used it, I just don't know where exactly it is. God damn it, what the... Really? I don't know where it is. It's in the uploader, but I don't know where I put it though. Typing zlib, storage. There's a small couple millisecond cost upfront for each ASCII request. I only really have it in production to handle WebSocket requests through channels. Yeah, that goes with Daphne, right? That's the one I was using it with. I don't know if it has any other one though. Okay, there you go. Multi-thread upload. Oh, there you go. Thread pull executor. Yeah, that's the one. Concurrent futures, thread pull executor, and then max workers, if that, and then I'm doing some validation there. And then I'm processing the chunk, and then this is the last chunk that's getting uploaded, and then set upload status. Yeah, I remember doing this. There you go. I don't know why the search didn't find it. Because, yeah, concurrent futures. There you go. With Daphne, yeah. And don't forget to include Daphne in your installed apps to get the ASCII managed up by run server. Hold on. If you do it that way, it works that way. I was using Daphne as like suggested in Django documentation itself. This is how I was running it. Yeah, this is how I'm running it. Integration with run server. Yeah, I didn't read it past here apparently. That provides a run server command to server side under ASCII during development. This can be enabled by adding Daphne to the start of your installed apps and adding ASCII application setting pointing to ASCII application object. But hold on, does this also handle static files? Does it serve static files? Because I do not want my Django application to run to serve static files. It will debug serve static, but you want static behind Nginx. Yeah. Actually, I don't want anything, any static file being dealt with Django at all, whatsoever. I don't want it. Right. Yeah, I'm doing it exactly like this. And since my Django application is gonna be like 100% REST API, like I'm not dealing with any, sessions or things like this. It's all about like authentication through tokens and access tokens, things like this. So I will not be having anything like dealing with any static files. Maybe only if I'm dealing with Django admin, which I think I'm not gonna be utilizing that. I'm gonna be creating two sections on the Next.js. One is gonna be like managing products and things like this as a as a platform admin, and the other one is just going to be like client side. I got a sick right hand panel built off Django admin. Yeah, I think those ones will probably have to be behind a Nginx, so it gets served through it. I don't want Python to deal with any static files. Because if you are using like Django templates, right, like where you are dealing with actual HTML through Django, with like Jinja and whatnot, then you will have to still figure it out. My teammates' skill levels are horrid, so I can really only expect them to produce admin interfaces. Bruh. Anyway, guys, it's 7 p.m. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go eat food, and then we're gonna continue with this tomorrow if I'm not working. So tomorrow is Canada Day here, apparently. I do not know if we are off or not. I think we are off, but if we are off, I'm gonna stream. If we are not off, I'm gonna do my work. Unfortunately, I won't be on then. They tell them about 10 times to get them to stop developing against the production database. When there are people like already working on that, using production databases, that's bad. It's a common thing though. I don't know why. Have fun. Thanks, Nick. Guys, I gotta go. Helmet and everybody else, thanks for the follows and chiming in. I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna go eat some food. Good luck, and good night. Thank you. I will either see you tomorrow or next weekend. So if I don't see you tomorrow, I'll see you guys next weekend. Otherwise, have a good night. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.